take a look at this. That is an early V8 cylinder head bolt. This is a star wrench, and they're stuck together. I can't get them apart. I'll probably have to put this in a vise and hammer this off. But you're probably looking at this and wondering, well, why did you do that? Well, one of the more common bolts in my experience that tend to round out the hex bolt is these cylinder head bolts on the M116 and the M117 V8 engines. It's a 8mm hex like that. And the other day we were taking the camshafts off a 4.5 engine, and I was laughing at Ryan. He was helping me. I said, you know, it's always the last bolt that rounds out, and sure enough it was. It was the last bolt on one of the cam towers that just rounded right out, and he was just, you know, devastated because he was thinking, what am I going to do to get that out of there? I said, watch this trick. So I went and got a 10mm star wrench. You know, Torx won't work. It has to be this multi-serrated star wrench. And watch here as we drove this in with a hammer, drove it right into the head of that hex bolt, and it just spun right out. Now, granted, I'm going to have to find another bolt to replace it, but at least I didn't have to grind, weld, cut, whatever people do to get these cylinder head bolts out of their engine. So I'm going to offer this as an emergency head bolt removal tool on my website. If you're planning to pull your heads or replace your head gaskets, I would highly recommend you have this on hand right there.